Go Tara!
Go Tara, go!
This is Tara Rangarajan, the one that people are gathered here to vote for. She works for Hillary Clinton's campaign. This is Asha Vishwanathan. You're here to vote for Tara?
Tara. Yay, Tara!
Okay, and you drove
Very
from...
proud of her. I drove from Saratoga. And I'm really proud of this young girl who's taken a big challenge, and we're really rooting for her and wish her all the best.
So you've known Tara as a child?
Known Tara, yes. I've known her.
Did you ever think that she will embrace politics as a...
She has that flair right from the beginning.
She has?
Yes. She has that fire and the flair, and I know that. When she said that she's going to go for it, and I know that she's going to make it.
These are the kids who've come from Berkeley. Okay, Nikesh, you're going to be voting for Tara?
Yes.
Are you a registered Democrat?
Yes, I am.
You are? Is this your first election?
No, I voted as a primary.
Oh, you have? Okay, how many of you have come from Berkeley?
4.
4 of you?
Hey, Prashant, here, this is Prashant.
Hi, so you also drove down from Berkeley?
Yeah.
Okay, and you're also a Tara fan?
Yes, I am a Tara fan.
See, here I am with Tara's cousin and sister. You're a sister?
Benita.
Okay, and you've been campaigning for Tara?
Yeah, I've been helping her out, but I go to school in San Diego, but I'm back for the weekend to try to
Just for this?
Yes, definitely. It's my first time attending caucus.
And how many people have you rallied?
I don't really know the count, but definitely been trying to email and call everyone we know, so it's great.
Do you see any of your friends around?
Yeah, definitely. Everyone's here. So.
Okay, and you?
Yeah,
Benita?
I'm Tara's cousin. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this before.
Have you got your friends to come?
Yes, I've gotten all my friends to come, and it's been wonderful to see all the support from the community out for Tara, so it's been great.
It's a fantastic turnout, huh?
Yeah, it's a great turnout.
Here with Vasanthi and Seshan, both I guess are big Tara fans, huh?
Yes, very much so.
Yeah? So have you guys campaigned a lot for Tara?
I've done my share.
Have you mobilized everybody from Thai?
Not really, but from Thai and IIT both.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about you?
I pretty much worked, with my neighborhood, Saratoga,
Okay.
and called all the people that I know that would be eligible to vote. So I did make some phone calls and distributed some flyers.
It looks like Tara has got the maximum turnout.
Yeah, I think so.
Right? The Indian community has come out.
Yeah, the South Asian community.
Yes, South.
I
Yes.
think it's the first time we have somebody amidst us trying to do this, so it's very, very special. And many of us have known Tara for a long time, so very proud that we have an opportunity to do this for her.
Are you a registered Democrat or Republican?
I'm a registered Democrat.
I'm actually independent, but I re-registered as a Democrat.
You did? You did? Okay, thank you. So Malti, you're here for voting for Tara?
Yes.
And have you mobilized anybody?
I spoke to a couple of my friends, but unfortunately they couldn't vote because they don't belong to this district.
Okay. Oh, and you belong to the district.
That's correct.
Okay. And have you already finished voting?
Yes, I
I'm
did.
ready for my bribe.
You did. And what do you think are the chances of Tara winning when you look at the turnout from the Indian community?
I think based on what I'm seeing today, I think her support is stupendous, and I'm almost sure that she's going to get it.
Have you ever seen anything like this for any other Indian leader or...
This is the first time I've ever attended anything like this, and particularly with someone as young as Tara, I think this is a great turnout.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is Mani, one of Tara's big believers. Mani, you're not from this district.
No, I'm not from this district.
Which district are you from?
I'm in 15th district, which is Cupertino in West San Jose, and I'm probably 2 blocks on the wrong address for today.
Do you feel bad about it?
Yeah, absolutely.
You can't vote.
I cannot vote.
And what are you doing here then? Just
Well,
lending your support?
Tara is someone who I know from her childhood, and she's also my daughter, and they grew up together. So I wanted to make sure I come and do whatever I can in terms of supporting the youngest delegate for the Democratic Convention.
Oh, she's the youngest, huh?
She is the youngest.
From California or
From the 14th district. We don't know from California. As far as the 14th district is concerned, she is the youngest.
She's the youngest.
Yeah.
Okay. And are you a registered Democrat?
I'm a registered Democrat.